everybody, my name is Lee Haddock, the Assistant Director of Child Nutrition here at Alvin ISD. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about the amazing blast chillers that we have in our kitchens. Blast chillers are designed to lower the temperature of food to below 41 degrees very, very rapidly. Some of the examples, we can lower the temperature of canned fruit, fresh fruit. Jello can be made within an hour. Leftovers directly from the serving line. We're going to explain automatic mode. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And you'll notice that we already have some green beans in there. We're also going to take some chicken nuggets from our serving line. I'm going to glove up because I'm going to need to touch the food. Not my size. So we're going to take one of the available probes. We're going to come in and make sure that right down at the bottom is in contact with the food. I'm putting several on there. I'm going to come and shut the door. And then the Tralson will notice that I've used the thermometer and it will kick on here in a minute with the temperature that it senses. Our blast chillers also have a second manual mode that allows you to put product in there and set time or temperature. It's a real inexact science. Really want to use the probes. The probes will give you the data that you need. And manual mode will stop when the time is up, whereas auto mode will stop when the temperature is below 41 degrees. Our food is rapidly chilling. We can go about our business in the kitchen, whatever we need to do to close for the day. And when you walk by and you look, there's a couple of things you want to notice. The first is that the cabinet temperature is now down to 28 degrees. It can go below zero, okay? Our first product has gone from 128 to 101 in 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Our second product is now down to 117 after only 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Cleaning and sanitizing. You mainly will be using Citrusol all-purpose cleaner. AR Chem, this is what it looks like. You can spray it on. Or you can get Citrusol from the dispenser. Okay? And all this blast chiller really needs is a good wiping with that. Come in here. The outside is very clean, except for this handle. This handle really needs a good cleaning. It should be cleaned after every use and at the end of every day. Citrusol cleaner is a degreaser, not a heavy-duty degreaser. And Citrusol just needs to be rinsed. What I like to do when I'm rinsing
Okay? My towel goes back into the soap. I come over with a disposable towel into clean water. Rinse it real good. And then come over here and rinse the citrusol off. Okay? Now one other tip, when you're rinsing, is you want to make sure this towel is used only once. If you start to get swirls or cloudy, use another towel once in clean water. Rinse it out real good. And then just simply rinse it off. Now the inside is clean the same way. We're not going to use that towel again because it has residue on it. This is our sanitizer. Okay? There's two ways to clean and sanitize these probes. This probe right here is not being used at the moment. It can be either unscrewed and run through the dish machine, a 3-compartment sink, or it can be sanitized this way. One of the things I wanted to show you about cleaning and sanitizing kitchen equipment is if you clean the item on a daily basis, it'll be free of residue. But if you have heavy residue on stainless steel, you may think you want to use a green pad, a scrubby pad. If you'll zoom in and you see these scratches, that's what happens when you use a green scrubby pad on stainless steel. Okay? All you really need to do is citrusol cleaner, rinse it, and make sure it's nice and clean after every day. And you won't get any buildup that needs to have a scrubbing that could just color the stainless steel. A reminder that I wanted to show you is I've shown you how to clean with citrusol and how to rinse it to where it's nice and clean. Inside you may get spills down here. Citrusol can be used to clean that as well. This whole piece of equipment on the outside and the inside can just be wiped down with citrusol if you have a spill. Okay? These racks also come out and they could be run through the dish machine or the 3-compartment sink. But we use citrusol for cleaning, and we use sanitation solution for sanitizing. Okay, our blast chiller has indicated that it's below 41 degrees. We're going to come in here, and I've got my glove on, and I'm going to take this probe out, and all I'm going to do is take sanitation solution, and I'm going to sanitize and wipe clean the probe. Like I said, if it were to fall in a pan of chili or something, and you needed to do this whole probe, just unscrew it and run it through the 3-compartment sink or the dish machine and re-screw it back up in here. So here we have our chicken nuggets. Our green beans are taking a little longer. When we come out here, this is where we're going to cover them with saran wrap. We're going to label them and we're going to date them. And we're going to take our count and we're going to put it on the production record with the temperature that it got down to. In this case, these got down to 38 degrees. We don't want to dry log and say 41 degrees for everything. We want the actual cool down temperature that we got from the blast chiller. All right?